Kirsten from Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, basically anything. Today we are going to do this box. It's called Artitude Cosmetics, and it's from the UK. I wanted to bring you something different. I know I've done a couple videos where I order something, you know, that most people, if you're in the US or Canada, don't really get your hands on, and so you can see if it's worth it to order these boxes or not. Now this one is $39.99 in the pounds, so I mean it is already quite expensive. And on top of that, there was shipping, and the shipping was another 15 pounds. Now on top of that, once it got here at Canada Post, I had to go down to the post office where I had to pay another $22 shipping. So I mean, this box is almost $80 now at this point. Something like that, maybe a little bit more. So we're gonna dive into it and see if it's worth it. Honestly, I'm not very sure about it. Now, it isn't a subscription box, it's just one of their mystery boxes, and they say if you order more than one, chances are you're gonna get the same products again and again. So it's not something I will order on the regular. If they say that they're gonna change it, if I do find that it's worth it to me, then maybe I'll try it again some other time, but it won't be something I regularly get. So this is what it looks like. So I got a personal note. Kirsten, so glad you discovered my small brand. Hope you love your new products. So that's nice. Nice custom. You know, someone wrote it out specifically for me. So that's kind of cute. And then obviously how much it cost. So it was $54.98 total with the shipping and with the price of the box. So that's in pounds plus another 22 once it got to Canada it cost. So this is what it looks like inside the box. And we're going to get rid of the tissue paper because who really cares about that nonsense? And then it's going to look like this. So inside I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. So first off, we're going to go brushes. I love brushes. It means I don't have to clean them as much, right? Such a pain in the butt to do that. So here we have the Artitude Cosmetic brush. I mean, they don't have any numbers on them, so, you know, do what you want with it. What do you think? And here's the other one. And they are slightly different. So this one's, so that's them there. Okay, so that's their first 2 products. So, I mean, cosmetic brushes can be quite pricey. Like, you're looking at, you know, sometimes $5, but most of the time they're $10, $20 each. Next, we have some nice lashes. Now, I love my long lashes. I just had extensions in, and I mean, they lasted me, what was it, 2 or 3 days. Like, they were just, like, falling out, poking me in the eyeball. They were quite horrible, and I lost a lot of my normal lashes with them. They just totally destroyed them. So I'm going to need to start wearing some falsies. So I'm definitely going to test these out. I do like them. They look nice and full. I don't know if you can see them very well. So I'm going to give those ones a shot. Next we have the 2-in-1 liner and lash adhesive. Now, generally, when these companies give you falsies, they usually give you lash glue because, you know, need both. So this is what it's going to look like. The packaging, really nice packaging. And it looks like felt tip. I'm just going to wipe on my hand. Oh, that's interesting. It's purple. It's not black. I don't think I've ever seen it come in purple, but it's cool. I'll definitely be giving that a shot. I'm gonna try and do some new videos, you know, reviewing some of the stuff that I'm getting. Just to give it a shot. I mean, why not? Next, we have a palette. I love eyeshadow palettes. I've got like 20 now, at least. And I'm going to have to start figuring a way to store them. Okay, so this one does come with a mirror. So I'm just going to hold up a card in front because it'll screw with the filming. And this is what it looks like. Lots and lots of colors. Now there is a couple more neutral shades, and there is a black, and a lot of them don't come with blacks anymore. But if you want to do a smoky eye, the black is essential. So I'm going to do a couple swatches on the back of my hand so that we can see how pigmented they are or how much you're going to have to build them up. So let's start with the shimmery blue. Very pigmented. And some pink. Purple. Okay, and that's them there. And as you can see, they're very, very pigmented. Sometimes when you get the shimmers, they're not pigmented that much. They're just like very, very subtle. But these ones are very dark, and I mean, you can work with them. You can actually see color. Some of them you can put them on and you just see slight color, more just shimmer, and so that's good. So for our last item, I have no idea what this is. Cake It water activated liners. Ooh, I heard about these. I don't know if we have anything like this in Canada or in the US. Do we? Not sure. Wow, that is green. Like green. So from what I understand, you dip your brush in water and then you put it in this, and that activates it to more liquidy. So you gotta be careful not to put too much water on, or else it's just gonna be drippy and a mess. But this is the shade. And I don't know. I've never used this color green. But I have green eyes. So maybe if I use this color, it's going to make my eyes stand out more. So I'll definitely test that out. Now, that's what's in the box. So, I mean, if you're going to go through, I mean, say a palette. A palette's normally at least $30. At least. Then lashes, 10 to 20. So say we're at 50. Lash glue / liner, another 15, say. So we're at, 55. Then this one, probably about $5. And then the 2 brushes. I mean, if you are in the UK, this is a really good deal because you're not paying for all that shipping. I'm pretty sure it was free shipping in the UK. So then it's worth it. Here, I mean, I don't regret it because I wanted to see what it was like. And I mean, the palette, obviously, you can still see it's all over my fingers and hands. And it's really pigmented. And you don't always get that with palettes. It seems to be a good formula. I mean, I don't know. I just think it's even worth it for me. I mean, it's not something I would do all the time for sure. But once in a while, it's not too bad. Anyways, this is it for the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you want to test anything, me to test any other boxes out. Always hit your notification bell so that you can get notified when we put new videos up, because we are working on videos every like 2 days lately. It's going insane. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.